See?
The bricks. Everybody asks, who is it? Everybody wanna know, who is me? Everybody asking, who is it? Yeah, who is me? Danny British, driving Audis, couldn't drive cheap, too cheap. Burberry's on me, clocks on feet like a London street, you know see? 400 pound OG, ship it from the west, delivered in the east.
Everywhere me go, you know me, have me thugs them with me. Y'all hide the condom, I say she want the picnic. Bob Marley, me, I move, me, not touch with me. But I rape a boy and kill.
Yeah, mommy watching it, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Car. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. There you go, they're going to wiggle it up by Daddy Rover, look. Look at that, look at that, there we go. Oh, mommy can't get all clean. Ivy can't get all clean. Oh, the family ride.
Look at that, it's pretty
Look
already.
at.
Pretty already.
Oh, look at that, mama. You like it? You like it? There you go. There you go.
I accidentally took a picture of him. Ivy, where are you at? The car wash.
Yeah. Yeah. We're outside where the bugs live. Yeah. I let it be known. Yeah. The car wash getting a massage. Yeah. Oh man, we did it. Yeah. You see me I get old because every beard grew up now. You see that? Boy, age I reach me out. Yeah, tell you. Ivy. Ives. Damn. Yo, this. Wait. Yo, I need a chair in my yard right now. Damn. Ives, you miss out for this, bro. Yeah, you miss out for it. Ives miss out for it, bro. You big girl, come on.
Come on, baby.
Take your time. Ivy, slow down.
She's
Slow it down, baby. Good girl.
she's a nature girly.
Good girl.
A nature
Where are you
girly.
Careful. You don't want to fall. You don't want to fall.
Oh, look, baby, there's more duckies.
Big ducks.
There's more ducks out there.
Yes. Yeah, me and my daughter on a walk. Yeah. When daddy come here, daddy never on a walk, daughter. Oh, daddy there with daughter. You see that? Ain't like a good country. Yeah. Yeah, see that? Zoom in for them, bro. Careful. That's so independent. Yeah. I feel good if you don't want to. Ain't that so?
Huh?
She not feel good if she not walk it.
No.
See water bed.
Oh, look, Ivy, it's the California poppy.
Outside.
Outside.
Yeah, outside. Mama said doggy, doggy.
Somebody left their footprints.
All that workout in a one day. Thanks, kid. And when you go home, you're still not tired.
No, because she'll sleep on the way home.
Ah, yeah. Hey, Baba. Yeah. Outside. Get some sun rain and we skin. You know how much people in the hospital can do this? Yeah, me have to appreciate it. Come in from the inside, because Papa probably riding bicycle. Around here, so. Look like how beautiful this. Oh, look how this beautiful against my skin. Oh man, a purple on my color. Yeah, I forget that. I feel so bad for your ex. Damn, he must be so upset, knowing he can't get back with you. Missing the things you used to do. Let's go. I be the nature girl. Hey, man, you get that from him. With that video. You get that from me. Only nature me touch a trees. You don't like that one, I want to get that one. It's a bigger one.
Oh, goodness. Hey.
2003. XXL. And your pants officer. And you have your, they never wear designer drawers back in the days. But your drawers have to be like a boxer's drawer. Remember? Like a basketball shorts. Yeah. And you go like this. And you have on a small white shirt underneath. Yeah.
What you wearing? What you wearing? Little girl, huh?